Ah, the planet Earth, our beautiful house. We'd love to think it's going to be about forever, but suppose it is not? Aliens, comets, weapons of mass destruction, black holes, even the sun could destroy the Earth. In July of 2019, we had a narrow miss with asteroid 2019, okay. Its impact could have been similar to a nuclear bomb. And the scariest thing? Researchers did not see it coming until it had been too late. NASA would need a whole year's notice to stop a doomsday collision. How would they do this? They'd launch an object into an area to collide with the asteroid, destroying it before it got near Earth. Barring some more immediate dangers, the ground was not necessarily the diverse paradise we understand it. In fact, about 4 billion years ago, it looked more like something from a sci-fi movie. Supervolcanoes, meteors, and toxic air produced our world inhospitable. So how did it become today's Earth? It went through several geological, atmospheric and literary steps. In reality, Homo sapiens came into the story. Human life evolved through a time when the climate was mild and steady, enabling a huge diversity of existence, something we take for granted. These days, we are already starting to see the ramifications of rapid adjustments to our climate and the devastation it causes. How will it affect your children? That may not seem like a great deal, but it's enough to create droughts, extreme wildfires, stronger hurricanes, and food shortages. 200 years into the future, hopefully, we invest all the time between now and then creating new technology to offset the environmental destruction and keep up with this demand for meals. In 300 years, so we use all of the accessible sources on our world. If only we can get to Type 2 and utilize the power of the Sun, or perhaps Type 3, that utilizes galactic power. All these are things that could influence your direct descendants. But let's jump further into the future when people may or may not even be about. In 100,000 years from today, the biggest celebrity in the Milky Way, Canis Majoris, will burst. The supernova will be observable from Earth in pure daylight. As this is happening, 20 supervolcanoes will spew out 417 cubic kilometers, 100 mi cubed, of magma in all directions. Now, Earth will probably be starting to resemble the planet we saw 4 billion decades back. Within 600 million decades, the Sun will start to burn up the Earth, as the Sun has hotter out of its shrinking core. The single real life left on Earth 800 million years to the future will, once more, be in 2.8 billion years into the future, there will be no life left on Earth. Can we prevent this slow demise into a bit of dead rock? Probably not. Actually, our current actions may even be speeding up the procedure. Instead, we can work towards prolonging this tranquil period in the planet's background by shielding its life-sustaining ecosystems and using renewable sources. The end of this Earth has captured many people's imaginations. You will find even doomsday groups with special notions on how the end will come. Many people feel that aliens will show up and wipe us out, possibly due to our abundant natural sources, or perhaps they won't enjoy us. Other folks believe that we'll be sucked to a planet-destroying black hole caused by the Large Hadron Collider. Oh, also don't forget deathly gamma-ray bursts, which can produce as much energy in 1 millisecond since the Sun does in its entire life. What about us? Could we destroy the Earth with weapons of mass destruction? Luckily, no. We might have the ability to wipe humanity out, however, to destroy the Earth is not possible. The most effective explosive device detonated, so far, is the Soviet-built Tsar Bomba, also known as Big Ivan. The 50-megaton hydrogen bomb detonated in 1961 in the Arctic, was 3,000 occasions stronger than the bomb that destroyed Hiroshima. In the long run, the Earth will eventually die. But we can fend off any instant disasters and use that opportunity to figure out a way to keep our existence through technological and biological improvements. Can it split or unify us? Though the Earth will perish, if that's earlier or later, we could make it a much better location while we are here. For now, this is all we've got. So let us take care of the environment, possibly steer clear of weapons of mass destruction. We do not want to risk a World War III. We hope you are learning something new every day from our videos. If you want us to cover a specific topic, let us know in the comments section below. We are doing our bit to spread awareness about the common health conditions and exciting topics. Do your part by sharing this video with your friends and social circle. Thank you. Get value by subscribing our Get Value channel. Thank you.